Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and let's take a look at a couple of my favorite setups going into Friday and into next week. Remember, of course, we do have a longer 3-day weekend. So in the video, on a weekly chart, we've had solid momentum here for some time. On the daily chart, we have a squeeze, which has now squozen, i.e. triggered. But these yellow bars are about to turn. And if we dive down into a 30-minute chart, you can see that we got conviction with today's move. That is an indication that this thing has turned higher and can continue to go. So I'm looking at the very least a retest of new highs. I do think we could get up to 180 though, so just want to be patient on this one and ride the wave, so to speak. A couple of people today were asking me about Bitcoin, GBTC. I do like trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. However, I prefer just trading it themselves. So you know, Bitcoin is kind of broken out here, and now we can see that Litecoin is following suit, and I'm expecting Ethereum to do the same as it's coming up against here. So we just continue to hold these as Litecoins and Bitcoins and Ethereum. However, GBTC, someone was asking today, should we buy this? And the answer is no, because GBTC is supposed to be 1/10 the price of Bitcoin. As we saw, Bitcoin was $4,700, so the actual price that this should be trading at is about $470. So that is messed up. That's what you call a short squeeze in a thin market. Look for that to come back down to earth. So the next question would be, do you short this? I'm not. I just maybe one share. If there was options on this, I would consider selling some call spreads or buying some puts on this. But I just wanted to make it clear that you don't necessarily want to dive in and do that. The other long trade here I like a lot is Baidu. We got that dip below the 21. Cleaned up any weak hands there with some stops. We've got a squeeze here, and I'm also looking for new highs here as well. Okay. In terms of the potential that this market could roll over and die, the one thing we want to keep in mind is that the 10-day moving average of the put-call ratio did get into extreme bullish territory. This did mark the low, and then from here to kind of eradicate that, we'd need to get down to about 0.85 or so before this buy signal became eradicated. All right, hope it helps. You guys have a fantastic rest of your night, and we'll see you at the next update.